All right, so I think my cheesy stuff is done. So back to Peabody Heights. They make some of the most amazing beers. I got this, it's called the Trash Buster. That sounds really nice. And it's a coffee porter. So you have that dark kind of flavor. There's a number of other ones that they have that would work too. They have one that's called a Mount Clair Porter. Again, absolutely delicious. So we're gonna put in about 3/4 of a cup of this. And you can do it gradually and get it sort of to the consistency that you want it to go. Because we do need a soup, you know, that is the idea. We're not looking for a dip, we're looking for the soup. So put some more of that in. Oh, oh my God, this is some good stuff. So if you think about what 3/4 of a cup is, right? There's 8 ounces in a cup, but there's 12 ounces in the can. So you do the math. Once you get the 8 in, you can drink the other 4. That's the way I do it. I went to Parkville High School and they taught us math right off the bat. Okay, I think it's looking good. I'm just gonna tighten this up just a little bit. We'll have a little of the coffee porter. Ooh, that's good stuff. Wow, very nice.